it up, but coming there very strongly in the blue and white. The White Stars is Darcy's Friend, joined by Liberated Light on the inside. Burren's Song, followed then by Crescent Moon. From a good bit back him out, Port de Grey is joining in as well as Darcy's Friend coast to the front. At the final flight, Darcy's Friend over from him out, Poor Liberated Light down the outside. From a long way back is Moylussa, Darcy's Friend from him out, Poor and Moylussa. These three have gone clear from Liberated Light. It is Darcy's Friend emptying the satchels here. Moylussa second, him out, Poor third. She has made headway from out the back and then hit tag. Fortunate outcome gone on from Old Kinmare and Maxi Mouse. As Charlie around back for home, moving off in pursuit, Only Mammy Can Love Me. And then the Night Agent, who's continuing to close on the inside of St. Cuthberts Cave. And then Bopple and Stop and Light Up, and Cashy and Hit Tag and Comanche Magic next. And they're followed by Fortunate Outcome. Dropping out of contention is Midnight Eugene, and they're followed by Park Rules and Old Kinmare. Inside the final quarter, they're heading for the second last flight as Charlie around picked off by Only Mammy Can Love Me, the quarter jacket. On the outside, St. Cuthberts Cave, and then the Night Agent. This is the second last. Only Mammy Can Love Me over first. From his Charlie around and St. Cuthberts Cave digs in on the outside, and then the Night Agent heading for the final flight. It's Only Mammy Can Love Me over in front from St. Cuthberts Cave as they climb the hill. Only Mammy Can Love Me from St. Cuthberts Cave on the near side. Only Mammy Can Love Me. Hang on, Only Mammy Can Love Me.